Hi, welcome to Instagram. In this video, we are discussing the military studies paper. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of PDF and the handwritten assignments, and if you need the answers of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Number is given on the screen, which is 900-936-8238. You can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can tell us your subjects, your medium, your class, everything, and you can take your subjects accordingly. Here we are discussing the paper, in which there are total six questions, one, two, three, and yeah, that you can see the 40 to 60 words answers. Question number four and question number five, which is the 100 to 150 for answers, and question number six, which is a project-based answers. So, if you need the answers of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much. If you have other queries, you can contact us anytime. We are here for help you for 24/7. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.